Did you know you can grow fresh peas at home even if you don't have a garden? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to grow peas in pots, step by step. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for balconies or small spaces. First, choose a pot that is at least 8 to 10 inches deep. Make sure it has drainage holes at the bottom so excess water can escape. Peas grow best when their roots have enough space to develop. Fill the pot with well-draining potting soil. You can mix regular garden soil with compost to add nutrients. This helps pea plants grow faster and produce more pods. Now plant the pea seeds about 1 inch deep into the soil. Keep around 2 inches of space between each seed. After planting, gently water the soil so it becomes moist but not too wet. Place your pot in a spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight every day. Water the plant regularly, but avoid overwatering. The soil should stay slightly moist for healthy growth. As the pea plants grow taller, they will need support. Use small sticks, a trellis, or a wire frame so the vines can climb easily. In about 6 to 8 weeks, your pea plants will start producing fresh pods. Pick them when they are bright green and firm for the best taste. And that's it. Growing peas in pots is simple, fun, and perfect for beginners. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy gardening tips.